Hello all, today in this tutorial we are going to see how to convert an RGB image to grayscale image. In the previous video we were showing how to read an image and resize the image. I'm just moving this code as the continuation of the previous video. So here we are just going to see how to convert an RGB image to a gray image. For that I'm just calling an RGB image like image is equal to like I am read function of some other image I will explain why I am using some other image other than cameraman.def. So read function, I think you will be clear by viewing the next previous video. So if you have to see that image means I'm just giving some other name, and I'm just calling the previous code which we have used to see the image, that is visualize the image. Since we have to call image R, I'm giving image R. Next, I'm just using the RGB to gray function. For that, I'm just using RGB to gray. ING this is the third image. In order to view the RGB image, we can just give to visualize this IM show, and here R2. Now we can run the code. In order to run only this line, just copy this line, right click and just evaluate section. So now you can see the difference between the previous, that is previous it was color image. You can run that. The original image was color image, and we got an RGB image, that is grayscale image. RGB is converted to grayscale. So this is the image. Now I said that I will show why I am not using this cameraman tip. In this cameraman tip, we can just apply the same code. In order to call cameraman, just I am calling the image function. Here I have to give C. I'm just saving it and just running it. You can see it's an error. Why the error is coming means cameraman image is already an gray image. You can see it's already an gray image. It's not an RGB image. It's already an gray image. So only we are getting this error. So in order to convert this RGB, if only we can convert RGB image to gray image. A gray image we can't, not for a gray image already it is converted, we can't use this function. Other than this RGB to gray, there is also another default function like it's image to gray. We can call ing r, and then we can run the code. Same, we have to visualize, we are using the same code, but in this case it's R1. Since here we have called it as R1, I'm just evaluating that section. In some, I think in I'm using Matlab R2019B. So in that RGB2 gray is the default function. I think in some Matlab versions, IM2 gray is an default function. So this is the code how to convert the image into an gray image. So in the next video, we will show how to generate the histogram of the image. Thank you.